Okay, let's tear down this piece of junk and see what's inside because it's raining outside and I've got nothing better to do. So, is this the right screwdriver for the job? It is not. But this is. It is indeed. Ooh, crusty, crusty. And quite dusty. What are we to do? We must pursue. What am I doing with my life? Da, 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 da. I need to find a hobby and maybe get a job. I'm bad at singing and this doesn't even rhyme. Do these come out? Yeah, they did. They did. Okay, let's pursue. And phone is getting hot. Camera is telling me that some functions may be disabled by temperature rise. Which functions are those, camera? There we go. Have I broken something? No, I have not. There's only one wire here and the other connector is here. It's good. Because we wouldn't want to ruin this. This is so, simple in its construction compared to the other one. And quite disappointing. I was hoping to have more boards on top of boards, but this is just one lame ass board, man. What kind of 3D puzzle is this? Should I take out the speaker? I think so, because then I can lift more. Actually, I should keep that stupid speaker. I don't think I have one, and it might be usable for something. I don't know. Think it might. Maybe the case as a whole would be. Ooh. Neodymium. Ah, okay. It's got these stupid things over here. Then it lifts. Then it lifts. And we are done.